Welcome to another all-rounder tech guide video. It's VMWare Workstation Player again. I've got the latest version installed and I wanted to upgrade the hardware of the previously installed VMs to the latest version, which in my case is version 11 to version 15. Alright, so there's my virtual machine. I'm just going to shut this down. Load up VMware Player again. And what we need to do first is create a new machine. Let's choose the same name, just call it version 15. You need a disk, you can't say no, skip the disk file, it's a shame. So you only need a 1 gig finish. Let me do this settings. We need to remove the hard disk we've just created. And I'll just show you quickly the extra things you do get. It's obvious. Is you get this option here, which allows you better direct memory access. When you do add a hard drive, and I'll show you in a bit, you get NVMe, and on display you're allowed to go up to 3 gig graphics memory. What we need to do now is just copy the hard drive off the version 11. Here it is, VMDK file. Copy it into the new machine. Okay, it's left that file there, so make sure you delete that. So I'm going to use that file name. You copy and paste the file in. And you could leave it the same name, doesn't mean to be any different, but I like to keep all of the file names the same. Okay, so let's rename this file. And we're just going to change this last letter to 5. Go back to your VMware Player, go to Edit Machine Settings. And then we need to add hard disk. Change this now to NVMe, which is a new option. We want to use an existing disk. Browse. And we want to go to the machine that we just created. There's the file there. But if you do this, you actually then get the option to convert to the latest version of VMware Workstation. So it's obviously got some more features, so I would always do that, especially with hard drives. Right, there's nothing else I think I need to add here. There's I'll play that machine, show it working. There you go. Okay, so it's adding all these extra features. What we need to do also is update the VMware tools. Now I'll keep your original version 11 or whatever version you've got around for a while, just to make sure everything's okay, especially if the license isn't right. I think Windows will check later on, it doesn't tell you. So if you've used it for a week or two and it doesn't say the license is an issue, it should be okay. Again, it all depends on what version of Windows license key you've got. My machine comes from Hyper-V and a different hardware, so I'd expect it to come with that. There we go. Let's not restart it just yet. I just want to show you those options. Like I said, I can now go to 3 gig. Let's use an NVMe. Processors. Do that. This one here, if you're not sure what it is, means if you've got an application that needs to know what your CPU is doing and how much it's affecting it, that's useful. It's good for devs who are writing an application and seeing benchmarking and stuff. This one here is if you're going to nest other virtual machines inside virtual machines. Right, on once more. Okay, hope that's helped. As most people think you can't do it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to look at. Thank you guys, as always. Bye.